Hello everyone! In today's video, we have a buffalo horn block that our client wants us to use to make a nut for his Carl Thompson bass. But the piece is too short and small for the width of the slot, and we had to further reduce it to eliminate some channels our client made when he tried to install it. To create the initial block, we decided to use contrasting materials, as is the style of this impressive bass. So we will have a final nut made of horn, bone, and rosewood. We use StewMac CA Glue 30 for its higher viscosity, quick bonding, and strength, which are ideal for this type of work. We glued the rosewood piece to increase the width, and leveled both pieces in height. Then we squared and adjusted them to the width of the channel by reducing from the rosewood side, as we don't want to remove the horn since it's what should be showcased in this nut. We can see how short the piece is, barely surpassing the height of the fretboard. To correct that, we ground and glued a bone base to our horn and rosewood block, which of course we will also square with the block and the nut slot. Once we have our block ready, we will start shaping it following Carl Thompson's nut style, with a pronounced slope and very light grooves, only at the highest part of the piece. After achieving the final shape, all that's left is to gradually sand it with finer and finer sandpaper, and polish it to give the final finish to this beautiful horn, bone, and rosewood nut. Did you already know about these bass guitars? What do you think of the result? Leave your comments, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.